I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001 2015, and today we are going to discuss about a suggested format for sequence and interaction of processes. This is under clause number 4.4.1b. So, as you can see on the screen, here is the format, and this format is made keeping in view that we are making it for some kind of a construction company. It could be for a production company also, if we replace the title of project planning with production planning and project monitoring with production monitoring and things like that. So in place of project, if we replace production, then this format could serve also for production organizations. Now, as I told you, this is primarily made for an organization which is engaged in the construction activity. And I have put here something like 14 processes, and as you can see, they have been put horizontally and vertically both, and we have tried to find out the relationship between the various processes. For example, to start with, let me tell you that we can put the document number here, document number 4.4.1/B/01, and this is dated May 21, 2023. That means today. And here you can put the name of the organization's name, and the title of this format, which is sequence and interaction of processes. And we have put the processes vertically as well as horizontally in the same sequence. See, at number 1 it is marketing here, and at number 1 it is marketing here, then tendering, and at number 3 project planning, number 3 here also project planning. Like that, they are in sequence, in the same sequence, horizontally and vertically, and then we have tried to establish their relationship, and the relationship is established, for example, in marketing and tendering. Marketing, it is the same process, so we have blackened this place, and this is marketing to marketing. There is no inflow or outflow of process of any information, but it is interacting with marketing, is interacting with tendering, and yes, there is relationship, so we have put Y for yes. And project planning, there is no flow of information from marketing to project planning or project planning to marketing, so we have put a cross here. Then project implementation, also there is no interaction between marketing and project implementation, so there is a cross here. Then again, project monitoring and marketing, there is no flow of information, so we have put a cross. And purchasing also is not interacting with marketing as such, so we have put a cross. The remaining processes are having interaction. For example, marketing is definitely interacting with accounts, with administration, with HRD, with process planning, and further on. So wherever there is interaction between these processes, we have put Y, yes. And wherever there is no interaction, we have put X. So as you can see, X is only at 4 places. And accordingly, this chart is made, and you can have a complete look at this. I will shift the entire this thing so that you can have a look. I am shifting it now, so I'm pushing it vertically, and you can have a look at so you are able to have a look at number 14, it is management review, and this side also at 14 it is management review. So that area is blackened because there is no action between the same process. So we have shown the interaction here. Wherever there is interaction, it is Y. So you can take it horizontally and vertically and see whether there is any interaction between that particular process. For example, accounts is interacting with all the processes. Likewise, the administration, the HRD, and the process planning, and the process control, control of documented information, internal audits, management reviews, they are interacting with all the processes. So there is yes, yes, yes everywhere. And wherever there is no interaction, we have put a cross that there is no interaction between that process. So there is no interaction only between, as you can see, between marketing and there are three processes, process at number 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is project planning, project implementation, project monitoring and purchasing. So there is no interaction between these 4 processes and marketing. So this relationship is shown here. So as the title says, the format is prepared for as sequence and interaction of the processes. So as you can see, the very first process is marketing, then tendering, then project planning, project implementation, project monitoring, then purchasing, accounts, administration, HRD, process planning, process control, control of documents, internal audits, and likewise you can see that all the processes are put here. And you can have a look at the processes. So I hope you will be able to make similar kind of chart for your kind of organization. If it is production, then in place of project, you can replace production. Production monitoring, it will become production monitoring. Project monitoring will become production monitoring, like that. So this is project specific, and you have to prepare this thing, and at the bottom is given the legend there. X is no interaction and Y is interaction. So the legend is given at the bottom, and this is prepared in Excel sheet, as you can see, and you have to prepare it accordingly. So I hope this gives you some clear idea about how you have to prepare this chart, and this particular format can help you perhaps for preparing sequence and interaction of processes. There could be some other ways of putting sequence and interaction of processes, and you can find it elsewhere also other than my video, and from there also you can try to take that kind of concept. But what I have put here is very simple, and it is showing the processes vertically and horizontally, and we are marking the interaction, and in very simple terms as X and Y, X for no interaction, and Y for interaction. So I hope the things are clear to you, and you will be able to prepare the document for your organization. So this is all that I wanted to tell you. And if you are liking my videos, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that as and when I load the video will reach you, the information will reach you without any delay. You will be able to see my video without any delay. So hope this is going to help you in some manner, but you can definitely give your comment if there is any, and I can try and convince you why I made it this way and why this way is the simplest way of making a sequence and interaction. There are other ways. It can be done graphically also. But that I have not put for you. This is the simplest way of putting sequence and interaction of processes. And that is how I have put it for you. So see you next Sunday on next class. Okay, bye-bye. See you.